Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about Massachusetts and Lyft, and is Lyft following the new minimum wage laws?
All right, Matt, are you here? This is for you. So I actually got a response from Lyft today. They said, yeah, our systems are not covered up. So according, as you guys know, I'm going to go real quick on this. Massachusetts, as of August 15th, per active hour, every driver is supposed to have a minimum wage protection of $32.50. Active hour in Massachusetts, active hours, period 2, period 3. If anybody asks me what period 2, period 3 is after 2.5 years of Show Me the Money, I'm going to hang myself live on the show. And see, this is one good thing Lyft has done. Look on the bottom. When the trip comes in, instead of me trying to figure out in 15 seconds what my active hourly earnings is, boom, they're showing it to you. Transparency. Mr. Risher, not just because of this you should show up. So estimated on the first trip
should be getting a top off.
Definite top off on the first trip, definite top off on the second trip, definite top off on the third trip. And I'm talking serious top off, 50% top off, Chris. And then put up the next one. Uber already had the algorithm ready. Okay. Look at that. This is like an Uber X share trip, $10 for 15 minutes. That's $40 an active hour. You see what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. And look at Lyft on the left, $23.72 per active hour. Lyft. But then Lyft said, oh yeah, we weren't ready. You know, we're going to fix it. Everybody's going to get topped off for a little bit and then we'll catch up. Why can't Uber have their thing ready like 2-3 months before the thing became law on August 15th?
Well, you know, when you have 33,000 employees versus Lyft's,
come on, man,
1,800 or whatever they got now, or 3,000. You know, it's a little different. So they can put like 20% of their staff on making sure that Massachusetts is okay when Lyft would be like, I don't know what to do.
Yeah, I know. But Lelius, we know that 2-week top off is not per ride basis. We absolutely know that. I can send you, how big is your hard drive, Lelius? I'll send you like 1 million screenshots. Not one single trip is coming above 32.5 or at 32.5, Lelius. So everybody's going to get topped off. So that means they didn't adjust the algo yet. So some will be over, some will be under. I have like 1 million screenshots that are all like 50% under. So they didn't adjust the algo, just like they've adjusted the algo to Prop 22 in California. You get everything at $22 an hour. In Massachusetts, they're supposed to get 32.5 an hour. They're not getting it. So anyway, but Lyft said, yes, we know, we're fixing it. I'm like, okay, cool. So all you people in Massachusetts, don't email me saying, oh, I'm not getting 32.50. Well, the first top off is coming up.
Actually, all you drivers in Massachusetts probably should be happy right now because 1, you're going to get the top off. 2, all the drivers that are onboarded because they're like, ooh, I get to make 32 an hour. No, not anymore. You're going to see, oh, wait, that's not the case. So they might not be happy. So that gym period that I was talking about last week where you say, hey, I'm going to lose the weight and then start working out on January 2nd, go to the gym and, sucks going to the gym at that time for the first 2 weeks because you have everybody and their mother there. But after that, it's back to normal. It should be probably pretty similar to this because that 2-week period can actually help you out. So this might actually be a good thing. We'll see.
They're fixing it. They're looking into it.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right. Drive smart, everyone.